Welcome to the Hinterlands. Want to know how I got this piece of art for under $25? It's a signed print from a comics pro with over 20 years in the business. Keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. Hey page turners, welcome to the Hinterlands. Now I'm going to give you the backstory of how I got that framed print for less than $25. It was drawn by a seasoned comics professional with 20 years experience, Kelsey. You may have heard of him. From time to time I watch the Aaron Lopresti draw stream. Aaron Lopresti has a show on YouTube called Graybeard Studio, and the premise of the show is that 3 comic artists will have a fun competition. They'll pick a topic and see who can do the best job of depicting the topic. So I happened to tune in one day, and I heard at the beginning of the show they talk about things they have going on. Kelsey was talking about how he had done some prints. Well, why don't I just let him tell you what happened.
I did some prints of Shank that people could pick up at the convention, and Phil made these for me, but it was so scatterbrained that I kept forgetting to sell them. So we still have, I know, right?
Were you just giving them away, or did you just have them in the back and you forgot to put them out?
No, they were literally right next to me, and I was so busy talking and just having a good time meeting people that I just forgot.
So he had these, they had these prints. He said they were $20 signed. I saw the print. I really liked it. I sent and got it from zadecomics.com. I then bided my time and waited for a sale at Hobby Lobby. I picked up a frame the same size as the print, 11 by 17. It was under $5, and that's how you put the two together. And voila, I have a signed print by a comic artist, framed for under $25. You can't beat that, really. If you keep your eyes open, pay attention, and take a few steps, you come out with a nice piece of artwork. I'd like to end the video by thanking Kelsey for some great artwork. Kelsey does have a show on YouTube. And a special thanks to Aaron Lopresti for the use of his clip from his draw stream show called Graybeard Studio. Look for it on YouTube, pretty funny, and the guys on there are very talented. And I'd like to also thank Zade Comics for getting me that print in great condition. Thank you. Please give me a subscribe and a like, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.